Today, we've got a fantastic poor boy sandwich. Guys, I have got a smoked venison kielbasa. We made this here at the house. It's a homemade sausage. It's going to be a smoked sausage poor boy, so stick around. I am Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you being here. Hey guys, I do have a fantastic sandwich for you today. It's a homemade venison kielbasa. It's a Polish sausage, so you should really like this, guys. And I tell you what we're going to do is we're going to saute up some sweet peppers. I've got red and I've got yellow, and I have orange bell peppers. I got some white onion. Going to grill those up on the Blackstone. Toast that bun a little bit with some nice spicy mustard, and then we're going to put that sandwich together. Y'all are going to love it, so stick around. Come in here close. Let me show you how we make this fantastic sausage sandwich. First thing I'm going to do is just show you how I have this Weber kettle set up for an offset cook. Let's get the lid off of here. Move it out of the way so y'all can see in here, but let's look at this kettle. This is set up to be an offset cook. So this side is lined with aluminum foil, so I can't get a lot of airflow straight up to my meat. It has to go around and up through my slow and sear to my lump charcoal, and then it's going to go back out. I'm going to get the lid back on here so I don't get a big flare up. But y'all can see the way that is set up. So the air comes in through our charcoal, back to this side, and out the vent. That's an offset cook. That's the way we're going to be doing it. 250, 275, going to cook this sausage up till it's 155 degrees. Let's get this lid off of here. And we're going to drop on a couple of links of this kielbasa that I have here. Put the one back there. We've got a lot of sausage we're cooking up today, just kind of showing y'all. And we will see y'all back here in about 15 minutes. We're going to switch sides. I think about a half hour we'll have them cooked to 155. Well, let me show you how we get our vegetables ready. All right, we're at the Blackstone, as you can see. Guys, if you don't have a flat top griddle, you can put a cast iron skillet inside of that Weber kettle on top of your gas grill, whatever you're using, or you can take them in the house and do this part of the cook after you've smoked those sausages. Now, the way I have this set up is this burner's off, so it's going to be warm here. This is my hot section. I've got it probably medium high right here, and I'm going to come in and just put some olive oil on here. If you want to use clarified butter, that'd be great. Didn't have any on hand tonight, so we did that. Spread out your oil a little bit, and we're going to let this oil get hot, and then we're going to come on with our peppers and onions. As you can see, beautiful bowl of red and orange and yellow bell peppers. A nice sweetness to those. You can use greens if you like those, but we're going to go up on top. Oh, we got that sizzling going on. That's what I like to hear. Well, we're going to let these start cooking. After these get going a little bit, I'm going to add my onions. About time for that first turn. So let's get in here. You can see we're starting to get a little bit of color on these. That's perfectly fine. We're going to turn them. I'm going to get my tongs in here in a second. Start using my tongs. But now that we've made that turn, I'm going to come in with some white onion. Plenty of onion on here. And we're going to start softening up our onions. They cook a little faster than my peppers do, so we're going to try to get them ready at the same time. I think we're ready for our first turn of our onions, second turn of our peppers. These are starting to soften up some. And what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to start layering flavors. You hear me talk about layering flavors a lot. And what I'm going to use is we're going to season these peppers. A lot of times people will grill onions and peppers, never season them. I got some Uncle Steve's shake here. It's his smoke bomb. Got some smoky paprika in it. It's got some heat in it. So we're going to have kind of a spicy sandwich here today, but I'm going to throw a little bit of this smoke bomb on my peppers. Come back in here and stir that in a little bit. But that's mixed in, and we're just going to keep going until our peppers and onions get tender. These are starting to get soft, and if you look, they're not wilting yet, but they are getting tender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to push them all over to this warm side. They're going to keep cooking over there, and I may bring them back out here and move them around a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead And I'm going to toast my buns. So let's get those on here and show you how we do that. We're about 15 minutes in. You see we're starting to get some nice color on these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip their position in here. Bring this one over here. And we're going to let it go for about another 15 minutes and they should be ready. Got some real pretty buns, Sesame Seed, Pepperidge Farms. And we're just going to open these up. And if they don't open all the way, just take your bread knife. This one's not cut all the way through, so we're going to help it a little bit. So we can open these all the way up and get them down flat on this griddle. Right there. And I'm going to take just a little bit of butter. I'm going to throw some butter on here, melt that down, kind of move it around. Clarified butter would work really good in that instance, but lay it down on there. Take our other bun, open it up. That one's cut all the way open. Get a little bit of the butter on it. Now we're going to let these toast really good. These are just about toasted. I'm going to check the sausages, see if they're ready to come off. I bet you they're close to 155 degrees. Look at these. Oh yeah, look at that. It's toasting up real nice. Let this one go a little bit longer. It's the second one that was on. But then we'll see if we can get our sausage ready to go. Let's uncover this real quick. You can see we've got some real nice color on these sausages. We're cooking up about 6 links. So these are my last 2. Already cooked up some others, but we're gonna put them right over the fire, just get a little bit, another layer of flavor, right? So a little more flavor by getting that char on them over here. Not too long. That slow and sear is hot. And again, if you don't have a slow and sear, use your Weber kettle baskets or just bring all your charcoal to one side so you can get that offset smoke. Oh yeah, you can see it starting to sizzle out. It is hot, hot, hot. These were between 155 and 160. They'll be a little bit above that by the time we get through with them. Let's put this one over the top. Get a little char on it, and then we're going to let them sit for about 10 minutes. That is enough. We're going to get these off, let them sit, and then we're going to start putting these sandwiches together. Let's bring one of our sausages up here. Guys, this is a great recipe. Again, I'll put the link down below for making this kielbasa sausage. But kind of take the tip off, and then we're going to cut these on an angle. Not too thick, quarter, maybe 3/8 tops, but at an angle. Get a nice slice on them. These are going to make some tremendous sandwiches. Like I said, we had quite a few people coming over tonight, giving y'all a sneak peek of what they're going to look like. We cooked up about 6 links of sausage, just like that, and that's the way that this sausage is going to go on to our poor boy sandwiches. And again, same way with this one. Boy, it's still a little warm. They've been sitting about 10 minutes, but they still are warm. And I tell you what, guys, this is a fresh sausage, so it was not smoked before it went on the pit. I'm going to finish slicing these up, and then we'll get back with you and show you how we put them together on the Blackstone griddle. It is time to get the sausage on here, so we're going to take some pieces of our sausage, get them here on the Blackstone, just about like that. These sandwiches, let me tell you what, they're going to be packed. Now, some onion and pepper on top of that. And I have got some pepper jack cheese that's going to go on here. Put that on. And we're going to melt that on top. And the way we're going to melt that is I'm going to take a little water. So we're going to make some steam, cover that up. And here in a minute, we're going to have some melted cheese and we're going to get it on that bun. While we're doing that, I've got some golden ale mustard I'm putting on there. Guys, I always try to tell you what seasonings I use. Use what you have, use what you like, but this is a good mustard. I just tried it the other day. Very good. So we're going to take it and get it onto our, broke that one in half. That's all right. Be a little easier to get all the sausage in there. Let's open it up, get our mustard spread on it. If you like yellow mustard, by all means do that. I like a spicy mustard, so there we go there. I think it's about time to take a peek. Oh yeah, we've got some melted cheese, so just gonna scoop that up. Now we're gonna take it and drop it right onto our hoagie bun here. Oh, look at that, folks. Man. That is nice and cheesy. Those sweet peppers. And we're going to do that one more time here. Sausage is down. Have some of our onions and peppers on top. It's going to be very colorful. Let's get a red pepper on there, put a little more color on it. Two slices of our pepper jack cheese. Man, that is pretty. Got our lid. Little steam, cover that up. Guys, that is just gonna set this sandwich off with that cheese melted up on there like that. Doesn't take long at all. Uncover it. Looks beautiful. Up with it. Down on our sandwich. Man, that is gorgeous, let me tell you. And it is going to be packed with flavor. We layered those flavors in there. We toasted those buns. We got the spicy mustard. This is going to be tremendous. Get a little fly over here, guys. Let y'all see these sandwiches. Man, there's a lot of goodness right there. There you have it, guys. Some fantastic smoked sausage. This is venison kielbasa. It's a Polish sausage sandwich. These came out fantastic. I've got a bunch of sandwiches to make. We have a crowd coming over here tonight. I got 6 links of sausage cooked up, and y'all are getting to see the first 2 off, and me and the camera crew are going to enjoy these 2 before everybody else gets there. But hey, the sausage was excellent. Got a good recipe for that. I love that wild game sausage. Those sandwiches are looking beautiful, guys. Let's get one of them up here. See if I can get it all together and in my mouth. Look at that. Man, beautiful sandwich. It's going to taste great too. Let's get a taste of it. Man. Little recap, right? Got our sausages on the Weber kettle, smoked those up to about 155 degrees. Then we slid them right over where our coals were, and we got a nice sear on them, charred them up a little bit, so we're layering flavors, right? We always want to layer flavors. Grilled up our peppers, and we put a little smoke bomb on them from Uncle Steve. Use your favorite rub or find him on the internet. He's great. And I tell you what, guys, we did that, got the sausages ready. Toasted those buns up. We got some crunch with those. We got the soft, sweet peppers and onions. Then we've got that golden ale mustard from Pit Patriots coming up on top of it. But this is a fantastic sandwich. I enjoyed it. My family and friends are going to enjoy it. I hope you and your family and friends enjoy it. If y'all cook up this, hey, leave me a comment down below. Let me know about it. And don't forget about our friends over at Scree, right? The Scree gear. Guys, they are some good guys over there. They're putting out some wonderful camo hunting gear, mountain gear, extreme mountain gear, and they are good people. So check them out. Link will be down below. But hey, fantastic today. Enjoyed this sandwich. Thank you for being here. If you would, remember to share this video. Tell your friends and family about us. Share it on your social media. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. Goodbye, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.